Hello world, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Crochet. Guys, today's tutorial is on crochet Solomon's mesh dress, and we are going to use a 4.0 mm hook and a pair of scissors, a yarn, as well as some stitch markers. This mesh type is very simple, and we are using the Solomon's knots for this dress. Let's start. So first of all, you make your slip stitch or your chain, you pull your yarn up and you yarn over, pull through, okay, then you make a single crochet between the first loop and the last loop. Okay, let's do that again. First, you pull your yarn up depending on how you want it. Okay, so I want it more loose, that's why I'm pulling it much longer. Then I yarn over, pull it and make a single crochet. Okay, let's do that again. Pull your yarn, yarn over, pull through, okay, making sure that you make your single crochet in between the back loop and the front loop. Okay, so you pull it, yarn over, pull through, make a single crochet between the two loops. Yeah, so this all about the Solomon's knot. Is very easy to make. Okay, so you're going to do this through till you get to as long as you want. Okay, so we are starting from our hip parts. Okay, so you make it longer, put it around your hip area, and if it's okay for you, then you're good to go. Okay, so you pull, you yarn over, pull through, then you make a single crochet between the first and the last loop. Right, okay, so let's do this. Right, so after making the length that you want for your hip, you make your single crochet to where you started from. Okay, so you insert your hook in it and you make your single crochet. Yeah, so next you're going to make the Solomon's knot, 2 of them. Okay, so you pull your yarn again, yarn over, make a single crochet. That's 1. Okay, you pull your yarn, yarn over through it, make a single crochet. That's 2. Okay, so 1 and 2, so you skip 1 and in the second you make the single crochet to fix it. Okay, let's do that again. You pull your yarn, yarn over, make a single crochet, pull your yarn, yarn over, pull through, and you make your single crochet. That's 2, and you skip 1 of the knots. In the second knot you make your single crochet. Okay, so you're always going to make 2 of the Solomon's knot. You skip 1, and in the second knot you make your single crochet. Okay, so that will be for row 2. Let's do that. This stitch actually is very simple. When you get the basics, you are good to go. Okay, so let's finish with row 2, and I'll also teach you row 3, and the rest will be just repetition of row 3. Okay, so you keep on making it till you get to where you started from. Okay, so let's do that. Pull your yarn up, make single crochet, pull the yarn, okay, you skip one of the knots. In the second you make a single crochet. Okay, right, so after completing this, what you have, the last one, you make your single crochet. Now let's move on to row 3. For row 3, the same thing, you pull your yarn up, yes, you yarn over through, then you make a single crochet, pull your yarn over through, you make a single crochet. Then that knot, Solomon knot of the second row that we left off, that's where we are going to fix our single crochet this time. Okay, so the one that we skipped, that's Solomon's knot that we skipped, that's where you're going to make our single crochet. Okay, so we pull it up again, yarn over through, single crochet. Remember to always make your single crochet between the back loop or the previous loop and the former, the present one and the former one. Yeah, then you make your single crochet. Okay, we make the single crochet in between, okay, all the knots that we left. Okay, that single crochet then that we left there, that's where we are going to make our single crochet for this time. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so we are done for row 3. Now for row 4 is just a repetition of row 3. Okay, so this mesh, you just need to know how to make the first row and the second row as well as the third row. The rest is just repetition of the third row. Okay, so you always make 2 of the Solomon's knots, then always make your single crochet at where that knot that was skipped. Okay, so this one, you make it here, make your single crochet here. Okay, just like the regular meshes that we have. Okay, but this time we make it in between, so we make the next one here, the next one there, so all the places that we skipped. Okay, like this place, so these are the places that we make and we fix our single crochet. So you make your 2 Solomon's knots here, skip, go back, go to where you skip that knot and you make your single crochet. Okay, so this mesh is very easy. Just get the basics and you're good to go. So you're going to do this round and round and round and round and round and round until you get your desirable length or desirable height that you want. Okay, so we are turning this into a dress, so you make it round and round. So after several rows, this is what you should be getting. Very soft and easy to make. Yeah, so when you get to the height that you want, now you're just going to create arms for our dress. So you, with the help of your stitch marker, just mark out the place that you want to fix your sleeve. Okay, so marking it out, and I'm going to make a chain to join the two so that it will turn into a dress. Very simple. So after marking out the places that you want to fix, you double your yarn, okay, so that it will be enough or heavier than the previous. So you double up your yarn to make it much heavier. You can take off your stitch markers or make sure you don't miss the place that you place your stitch marker. So you make chains, okay, as long as you want it. So I'm making, okay, depending on how long you want to, just make your chain. This is going to serve as a sleeve, so depending on you, chain till you are okay. Then when you're okay, you fix it to the other side. Yeah, okay, you fix it here with a single crochet. Yeah, so that's it. Cut it off and tie it. Make sure it ties so that it doesn't come off. Cut off your excess. Yeah, so this is the first. Now I'm going to do the same for the other side. Yeah, so this part you're going to double it and you're going to make the same for it. Then after that you just put it on. So guys, at the end, this is what you have. Isn't this beautiful and very simple to make? Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.